In this video, we will learn how we can create forms using Salesforce's Web to Lead functionality. These forms can be added to your external websites where customers can come in, add their information like name, email, and company name. And when they click submit, this should automatically create records inside of Salesforce, hence removing the manual labor of data uploads and migration of lead information into Salesforce. So in order to do that, we'll navigate to the setup from this gear icon and search for Web to Lead. Here we will create a Web to Lead form and remove city and state. So now our website form will include the first name, last name, email, and company. When our user inputs this information, that information will be mapped onto the Salesforce lead object into these relevant fields. Here you have to add a return URL where your customer is redirected to when they submit the form. For this demonstration, I have copied the link for a thank you image. I have pasted this image over here. When you do it for your website, you would add the URL for your website return page. When you enable Web to Lead for a website, it is recommended to keep the reCAPTCHA and HTML option enabled. However, for this demo, we will close it. And all we have to do is click Generate. This provides us with a sample HTML that can be copied to your website, and you can add CSS and styling on top of this. For this demonstration, I have copied this code on a notepad, and this is what the code looks like. What happens if you want to add a hidden field as well that would have a value set to spring? So we had already created a custom field called competition name, which looks like this. So in order to set a value for a hidden field, I have added an additional line of HTML, sets this competition name field to spring. Now, once we click save and open this page on our website, here I will open this website form, and this looks like what you see in front of you. After adding this information, all I need to do is click submit. Once you do that, it takes two steps. Number one, it redirects us to the URL that we had placed on our website form. And two, it will automatically create this record inside of Salesforce by the name of Ellie Maxwell. It will also ensure that our hidden value has been added, as this hidden value was not on the front page for the user to see. If someone fills out a form and you want to ensure that that form is associated to this lead record, you can create flows as a custom solution that will create a record of task under the activity tab. Here, it would add the information that was filled out in the form. Now, this is not something that would happen as part of the Web to Lead. However, you can create automations that would create these task records when a new lead record is created through the Web to Lead form. That's it for this video.